I got this dash cam sent to me to make a video about. Here I am inside the vehicle using the rear facing camera, and it's facing me right here in the driver's seat, and then you can also see the passenger seat over there, and you can see in the back of the car. Plus there's a microphone on the dash cam so you can hear how my audio is, how my voice sounds and everything. Alright, let me go ahead and show you how I got this dash cam all set up and everything and what the video footage looks like. Here's everything that comes in the box. You get the dash cam. It has two cameras on it, one right here and then one on the other side. So it's got a front facing camera and then it's got a rear facing camera. Looks like these cameras also move up and down so you can adjust them. Same thing on the rear facing camera. And it's got a mount here. You just peel this up to stick it to your windshield. And then it's got a power cable, a USB-C power cable. And you just plug that into the top. It's got two ports on the top, one to connect to the rear view camera, and then you just plug this USB-C into your other connector up here. You got a USB-C, there's two of them here. We'll see what they say. That says USB-C, and then that says power. So the first one goes to the power on this side, and then the other one goes here to the rear facing camera. And then you got a couple of buttons on the side. There's your card here too. It comes with a memory card. Looks like a power button, and then you got more buttons on the bottom. There's an OK button, and then a forward and a backwards. And then this is probably a menu button. And then it looks like it's got a microphone in there as well. And it looks like it comes with a 128 gig micro SD card. When you insert the card, you insert it with the writing facing towards the front facing camera, and then so you just push it in that way. You want to take the card out to watch your videos, and then when you put it back in, you just feel it, like you feel some pressure there, like a little bit of a spring, and then you know you got it going the right way. You got your camera here on the front facing camera, and then you got your rear facing camera. Just be careful to put it low enough that your rear view mirror's not blocking it, because the camera will hit the rear view mirror there. If you want to see into your back seat really well, put the camera a little bit lower. Make sure you kind of line it up before you put it on there. And then this side right here is your power, and then this other side is for the rear facing camera that you could put on your back window or on the back of your car. And then to access the menu, you can see the Wi-Fi is turned off. You hit this button here, and once it's at that, you hit there, you hit this, and then there's two arrows down here. You go over to your settings, and then you hit the OK button again, and then you can see you got your screensaver, your time display, and your Wi-Fi. And then you can just arrow down, and then you can click on that, and then you can turn your Wi-Fi on or off. And if you turn your Wi-Fi on, you hit the OK button, and then the Wi-Fi comes on, and it gives you a Wi-Fi code that you can enter into your phone to look at all your videos and pictures and everything that it's recorded. The name of the app is Final Cam X. So you just go ahead and open up the app, and then you want to add your camera. And then you just go through all the instructions to set it up. I'm going to hit OK, and I'm just waiting for it to connect. And then it gives you instructions here on what to do. Then you close the app and reopen it, and then add your camera, and then you should be able to access it. So now you can see I'm looking here. Now I can see myself on the rear side of the dash cam waving. And then let's see here, we'll look at the camera files. We'll see what we got. And there's all the videos. You can see videos of me setting everything up. And if you see a video that you want to save, you just hit the button here, and then that will save the video. And you can see it saving it. All right, let's go ahead and open up one of the files and take a look at it. The front-facing camera records in 4K, and the rear-facing camera records in 1080p. So you can see how it looks. It's got a lot of detail. It looks like the video quality is really good. It has a wide range. It shows all the way up to the top of the building even, and I can read the name of the airport terminal. It's pretty bright out here. Now we're going to go inside the terminal where it's a little darker so we can see what it looks like inside here. So you can see even in a dark area like this terminal, you can still see really good. It's still showing everything really well. So yeah, this video quality is really good. Here's some regular driving footage. You can see the quality of the video here. It looks really nice. On the bottom corner, you'll see the date and the time, and then it gives you a north and a west GPS location, and then it tells you how fast you're going, your miles per hour. To change it to miles, I went to the GPS speed, and then I'm going to change it down to switch it from kilometers to miles. I want to be MPH for my dash cam here. So that was GPS speed. And then you just got these arrow buttons. And when you go up to the top, this is where it was at. You can just arrow down. There's the Wi-Fi where we hooked it up to our phone. And then you can also change your date and time. And then you just keep going all the way down here until you get to the very bottom here for your GPS speed. And then you just hit the OK button. Then you can switch it between kilometers and MPH. I want to use miles per hour on mine. And then we'll go back and see. And then right down there it says MPH. Of course I'm going 0 because I'm just parked while I set all this up. I'm not sure why it said 2 because we're not moving, but it's 0 MPH. So now we're to MPH instead of kilometers. All right, there you go. There's the dash cam. You can see how good the video footage looks and everything. Yeah, this thing's pretty nice.